What's going on, guys?
What's happening?
We back at it. We home. Hello. Someone's a little camera shy.
Yeah, it's been a minute. It's literally been a minute since I was on the vlog.
For real, dude. So we are getting some goodies for Tony.
Yeah, we're
picking out a new color for Tony's car. That's the one.
Nah, we know Tony's two colors. Oh yeah,
Tell me
guess what? It's an eclipse video, bro.
Oh.
All 1,000 subscribers better watch this video. I swear to God, man.
For real. Don't even put a vlog, put eclipse vlog.
I mean, yeah, be like the cleanest eclipse.
Cleanest eclipse vlog. What? Sponsor us? No, I'm just kidding.
We used to, was it 1,000 or 15? It's 1,000, huh?
1,000, I think.
Shit, they're out.
Where it at though?
And one back here, let's see if it's 1,000. No, it's 15.
Fuck.
I can't believe they're out. Yeah, it feels almost the same. 800 feels a little too rough, I think. Well, it's Tony's headlights anyway.
Yeah,
it's just an eclipse.
Dude. That's why we got the cheapest can they had here. I'm just kidding. Not working.
Also, if y'all doing headlights, this is what we use. 1500.
Okay, these
lost
two.
Clear, and then we're supposed to use alcohol.
Yeah, I have some at the crib though, so we should be alright. We'll show y'all right now, step by step, how we do it. That's how Tony looked like when he danced. Alright, so we're gonna tell Tony it was 20 bucks, so. Yeah. He's gonna be mad when he sees the vlog.
Would you like it?
Alright, so we're back. Look what's here. And look who's there.
I bought it back, guys.
He bought it back.
I bought it back. You know, because I noticed that we started losing followers, so I had to get it back.
She's here, she's back. What are we doing today, Tony? What are we doing?
Man, we about to fix up these headlights because these headlights are fucking. Oh shit. These headlights are pretty disgusting.
Look at this. Fucking the Eclipse is a cap.
Nah. But in all honesty, I would not recommend getting a SvperDv Halo headlights. They're probably the worst fucking headlights I ever got. This is just for right now. That's what I'm saying. So this is pretty horrible.
God.
It looks not that bad on camera actually. It looks a little less, but it does. Like you can tell it's yellow.
It's pretty bad in person. But we're just gonna fix them for right now. We're gonna, yeah, see. So
man, look at this. He's missing Barstone caps.
Oh
my God, what's going on? Get the truck and disrespects the Eclipse.
I like the boost. That's why.
It's true. So he's back. The Eclipse vlogs are coming back. We got a lot of work to do on this. Gotta restore this thing.
What's wrong with it? What the?
What do you mean? We gotta do those motor mounts. We gotta do a bunch of shit.
Yeah. I still have those too.
I know we need to do them. Tony's had parts sitting in his garage for like a year that he has to do for this car. But without further ado, let's get started. Gonna give this thing a little wash, clean it up, and redo those headlights. Let's get started. Closer look at the whip over here. Damn, Tony, you wanted to flex it. I like doing this, Loki. That shit's pretty cool. Makes me feel like I'm Fast and Furious or something. Manual, bro?
It's manual. When did we do a manual swap though?
Right here?
Yeah, that's
We're
all
gonna be like, bring out the compressor head ass.
Alright, so step one, you get a cute ass mechanic. Dang, I just cussed.
We got him. Ah, damn it.
No, I'm good. You guys are gonna need 1500 grit, sandpaper, or 1000. We use either one. You just use regular water, H2O, and then you just sand it, and then you just clear it.
That's it, guys.
That's it. Stay tuned for the next one. Just,
Now y'all are gonna do a lot of sanding. You literally sand until I sanded that other one for like a straight like 15 minutes.
Yeah, it was a long time.
And just be careful because you don't want to sand your paint.
pay attention to the motion he's using, guys. That's what you want to do. I'm just kidding. I did the RV at Jesse's job, man.
Alright, so now what you guys are gonna do, just clean it all up, take all the water off, then tape it all up around, tape it all in here. This works for any car, it doesn't have to be an Eclipse obviously, as long as they're plastic headlights, which most new cars are. You just tape it all up, like on this side. This is exactly what we're gonna do. And use whatever, we just use notebook paper. And yeah, that's about it. Let it dry for probably like, I would say let it dry for like 30 minutes and then take it all the tape off and stuff. And then hit it with this stuff right here, gloss clear 2 times, so that way you only have to do it once, so just one spray even. And honestly, you have to just do it 1 time, because if you do 2, it'll look like foggy. Trust me, I know, because I messed you up. But yeah, this is like a few bucks at Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. And then the sandpaper, and that'll be it. I'll show you once I'm spraying them, and then we'll take everything off and show you the final product. All right, so last step, mask it all up. Let's get to clear and let's fuck this side up.
And just like that. Sheesh.
Looks good?
Yeah, oh, really good. That looks really good.
Damn.
Tony, you couldn't even see over there.
Man, that looks really good.
This is one
way
of those
better,
spots.
bro.
I think I missed one of those spots.
Right there, huh?
Yeah, but I don't want to redo it, so fuck it up. I could try.
Go really, go start from right here and go that way.
Go this start from right here.
Yeah. Okay.
You missed that shit?
Missed it.
Fuck it,
I
just
did.
go from that side then.
Again?
You'll be alright, you'll be alright.
Alright,
Okay,
that's good.
you're good, you hit it, you hit it.
Yeah, I got it. I did get it.
Easy,
That was good too, bro.
easy.
Where we going?
Alright, so vlog's not ending yet. About to go to, where we going?
I don't know.
I don't know where we're going.
I don't know where we're going, but
Yeah, you know where we're going.
Topgolf?
Yeah.
yes! He's like, yes!
Hey, who's our sponsor today? Did you?
Topgolf. Brought to you by Topgolf. 10%. Use our name to do the.
Hey, this thing looks clean.
Dude.
Hey, you see mine though? Or not?
There it is, guys. That's the finished product.
Sheesh.
They look good.
They look really good, guys.
Car looking good too. Showing off the Super Duper sticker. What's wrong? Hey, if y'all have an Eclipse, get these tail lights because they look sick.
Actually, those taillights are actually like discontinued.
Oh, hey, never mind.
I was like,
Don't get it. There's
discontinued.
trash.
But
Just kidding.
If you guys do want black housing, you guys can just open up your taillights and just paint them black. It's the same thing. It's literally the same thing. But I just bought them because I didn't want to paint it.
True. All right, so now we're gonna go take some pics, pull the Topgolf, and probably close out the video over there. Peace. So we just pulled up the Topgolf here. Super duper Eclipse here. Super duper Camp Park. Got Jesse, got Carlos.
It's all good, bro.
I just didn't want to like Tony though.
Oh, you definitely gotta be ass.
Out here at Topgolf.
Waiting for our bay with the
Here.
bays.
With the bays. With the bays.
Man, there's hella people here.
I'm gonna tell you, can you turn off the music? I'm gonna get copyrighted.
You not know who I am?
No, I got tater tots.
Hey, there ain't no dollar menu here.
Oh, right here. Tater tots. I'll get the tater tots. I'll just order the tater tots. And then you get chicken. Yeah, that way we can stack on something.
All right, y'all. We at Topgolf right now. Take the mask off. Actually, shout out to Juan VR.
You got some fire content, go check it out.
Bro, he's honestly the best drive I've ever seen in my life.
For real.
He goes stupid. Huh? You seen Juan VR or not?
He goes hard, bro. I just saw the side of oh, dang, I'm doing the super duper stuff.
Oh, shit. Fuck Tony. Nice kid. I know. It's all good. Don't let go of the club, though. Don't let go of the club. There you go. Oh, yeah! Let's see if you get any points. How you feel, bro? You hit your first ball ever. No points. Go again.
Go again?
Yeah. We're going 2 at a time. Yes, sir. Oh, no. You, hey, square your feet. Square it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Man, I hit my car.
Fire. Yes.
I still got 0 points. God damn it.
Did you guys see that video on Twitter? That new new one?
Oh yeah, it's recorded?
Yeah.
Is it?
I'll bring mine. Try some.
Oh my god. We out here?
Oh, fucking bomb.
Oh my god. He's like wearing Bro, why does his jeans look like he's borrowed from the Philippines?
You got him at Justice for Girls.
The heat one with you? Final. Let's see the ladies.
Oh, my bad. I didn't see. I didn't know I was recording, bro. Tell me what happened, bro.
Hey, who beat you last time?
I remember.
Yeah, exactly. That's why.
That's the crazy part.
I know that.
Hey, I don't remember what happened last time, but I do know that I won this time.
Dude, last time you was so good. You didn't talk to me for a week.
Oh, shit, again, my bad. I didn't see it. Tony, you beat Alex. How you feel? First time, bro.
Hey, Alex is like 20th time. I live in a golf course. Dude, his backyard is a golf course.
Hey, fuck the last clip. It's 26-21. Tony got one shot left. One shot, one opportunity.
40, 39, 38.
Hurry up, bitch!
No.
Oh! No, I didn't. Oh!
It's still not. You need another one. Go. You got 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Can he do it? Can he do it? No! He's nervous.
Play the suspense. Oh, hell.
Yo! Alex, shoot another one. Alex. It went over.
It didn't go in?
Jumped over. No, that's it. Jumped over. That's good.
Hey, go. Hey, get a lot of balls. It went over?
So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Nah, let Tony close it out.
What the fuck? I don't care who closes it out.
Yeah, I do.
Well, I do today. Literally, that's all you have to say.
Oh, and they want edges. Oh, all right.
Alright guys, that'll be it for today.
Wait, hold on. Before you close out the video, though, you don't see who won. You don't see in the footage.
I hate you, bro.
I need to think about 3 points. So.
Carlos.
Alright guys, well that'll be it for today's video. Hopefully we get
Nah, just kidding.
hopefully we'll give you guys another one next week. Hopefully we can do these weekly.
Every Sunday, we're gonna try to film every Sunday because that's when everybody can.
Something.
Yeah.
Challenges, whatever. We're just trying to get it
Give us ideas. We're always open to whatever.
Drop some comments, some ideas for us to do.
DM us.
Yes, sir.
DM us.
Don't DM me.
No, our super duper, you know.
Hell yeah, for sure.
And make sure to hit us up with stickers too. We got a couple people hitting us up. So hit us up if you want some. There's only a couple left, so try to hit us up.
And then also too from the footage earlier, if you guys want us to drop those extra decals that we just made, let us know in the comments. That way we can
Shits are hard.
that way we can just do it.
Dope stickers. But yeah, we'll see y'all next week. And
Close it out, bro. Close it out.